Yo, stack and pray, 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 yeah, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, aye, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray.
What's up, guys? We are back with another video, finally, right? So today's video I'll be doing product photos of my jewelry collection and any other products that I happen to come across. So I'll probably do body butters as well, but I will be using my Canon EOS Rebel T7. If it would, there we go. I'll be using that on landscape mode because I kind of like how that background looks when I take a picture, so I'll be using that setting. And I'm currently on my little vlogging camera, so this is my little setup. I got this stand from Amazon, and then here are some of my bracelets once it zooms. And then I have this stand over here from Amazon as well as for my necklaces. Has a little neck. And then I have my ghetto poster board. Look at it. I cut it and it looks like a 2-year-old did. But yeah, whenever you're doing your little product photos, you don't need no extra stuff. Just get you a little poster board, a white poster board, and take your pictures. So there's that. So stay tuned. I'll show you how the pictures come out in the end of the video. Alright, so here are some of my rings. Look how pretty this is. Just all hearts. So cute. And I have this huge diamond one. And I have this little heart. Oh, if I could pick it up with these gloves, that'd be great. And then you guys seen these before. Let's take some pictures. So here is my pink lemonade body butter. So here's the 8-ounce right here, the 4-ounce, and the sample, which is 2 ounces. So all of these you can get for wholesale, and make sure you check out the website for pricing and shipping times. So this is what they look like. It's pink lemonade scented. Here is the strawberry shortcake. It's pink and white. It smells so good. It smells like that ice cream that you would get off the truck, the strawberry shortcake with the little pebbles on it. And here is our watermelon body butter with poppy seeds. Get you closer. This is our Island Gal. So many colors, and it's pineapple orange scented. It got a little smudged on the top, but it's still cute. This is our birthday girl body butter with sprinkles, and it's cake batter scented. Here's our glowed up body butter that has gold mica and gold flakes. Here's the pineapple. Here's the lemon lime. It's green and yellow. So pretty and bright. It smells good. This is bubble yum. It's just pink. And it smells like bubble gum. Here's sugar cookie. It's a light blue. Here's the plain body butter. It's good for those who have sensitive skin. This is Cosmo and Wanda, and it's strawberry kiwi scented. This is cotton candy. It's pink and blue. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, so I am currently working on my labels for my body butters. So here is my pink lemonade. And then here is my strawberry shortcake. So I have the 2.5 inch circle labels from onlinelabels.com. I got these from Amazon, but you can get them obviously from this brand. And then it comes with this little thank you card essentially, and like where you can go and customize your labels. So I'm going to do that now on my computer. I'm not sure if I want to do it on my broken MacBook or my Acer computer. But we're going to figure that out. And then I'm also going to do my labels for my lip gloss tubes. Let me show you what those look like. So this is my lip gloss tube. Let me see if I focus. Let me put on the blue. Hold on. So this is what it looks like. It's clear, it's square, and it's cute. I want to get the mini ones. Sorry, my nose are like disgusting right now, but I want to get the mini cube wand tubes. And then I was thinking about changing my squeeze tubes because I want like this slim squeeze tube, so we'll see about that. Eventually I'll probably get those. So yeah, we'll be doing that for now.